So good morning everyone. So today we will discuss about the ultra structure. Discuss about the ultra structure of the sporozoite. Ultra structure of the sporozoite. So it is a 4 marks question. Ultra structure of the sporozoite. So sporozoite, it is a infective stage. What is this? It is a infective stage. It is a infective stage we seen in the life cycle of plasmodium vivax. We seen in the life cycle of plasmodium vivax. Life cycle of plasmodium vivax. So how it is looks like? So it looks like a sickle shaped structure. Sickle shaped structure, and the pointed ends and the middle part is somewhat swollen like structure. Middle part is somewhat swollen like structure. So there is a depression which is present at the anterior part. So this depression we are calling as, it is called as apical cup. What is this? It is a apical cup. And to the apical cup, so there are two organelles are present. So these two organelles are, we are calling as secretory organelles. What are those? Secretory organelles. Secretory organelles. So secretory organelles name is indicating that it secrete the cytolytic enzyme. So secretory organelles, what they are doing? They are secreting the cytolytic enzyme. So what is cytolytic enzyme? Cytolytic means, cyto means you already know cell. Lysis means, what is lysis? Lysis means, so it penetrates, it breaks and it enter into the liver cell. Majorly it attack upon the liver cells and it attack on the RBC cells. So to enter into the into the body of the liver cells and the RBC cells, so this cytolytic enzyme, it is useful. And if we observe the inner side, so in the cytoplasm there is a middle part, there is a large nucleus also present, and lot of cell organelle is also present, like Golgi, like Golgi complex is present, and some of the mitochondria is also present. Some of the mitochondria is also present, and endoplasmic reticulum also present. What is that? Endoplasmic reticulum also present. And so it is covered with a pellicle layer. So this pellicle layer we are calling as microtubule. What is that? Microtubule. It is covered with a pellicle layer. It is called as microtubule. Okay, so if we observe the length of this sporozoite, so what is the length of this sporozoite? So if we observe the length of this sporozoite, it is 15 microns in the length and only 1 micron in the width. Only 1 micron in the width. Okay, so this is the introduction and the structure of the sporozoite. So it will come for the 4 marks question in the Telangana intermediate public examinations. So it is very important answer. Okay, so ultra structure of the sporozoite. So within 5 minutes you will learn all this important points. Ultra structure of the sporozoite. It is the infective stage. We will see in the plasmodium vivax, and it is a cup-like structure which is present at the upper part anterior side. It is the apical cup. Apical cup, it is attached with the secretory organelles. They will produce the cytolytic enzyme which is useful to penetrate into the liver and the RBC cells. And apical cup connected with the a pair of secretory organelles. In the same way, we observe the nucleus and the Golgi complex, mitochondria, and endoplasmic reticulum. So these are the different cell organelles which are present inside, and it is covered with a pellicle layer. It is called as microtubule, and it contains lot of convoluted tubules also, inside the cytoplasm, but this function is unknown. What is that? It is function is unknown. So this it is explained by the ultrastructure of sporozoite. It is explained by the scientist Garnham. So it is in the 15 microns in the length and the 1 micron in the width. So it is about the ultrastructure of the sporozoite. Hope you like this the small lecture, and give a like